Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue sauce at home. Combine 1 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoon Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tsp smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt. Stir over medium heat until sugar dissolves, then simmer for 15 minutes while stirring occasionally. Taste and adjust with more vinegar or sugar for balance. Try simple tweaks to match your meal. Add 1 to 2 tsp chili flakes for heat or 1 tsp liquid smoke for barbecue depth. Stir in 1/4 cup fruit preserves for a sweet fruit twist that pairs with pork or chicken. Balance sweet and acidic elements by tasting as you go, adjusting vinegar or sugar in small increments. These variations help you create signature sauces in minutes. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more recipes. On another note, quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is compact, leak-proof, and keeps drinks cold all day, making it perfect when you're tending a hot grill. It feels great in hand and fits most cup holders, so you can sip while you sauce and flip. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cool sauce to room temperature before storing to preserve flavor. Pour into a clean, airtight jar and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks, or freeze in portions for up to 3 months. Use as a glaze in the last 5 minutes of grilling to avoid burning, or serve on the side as a dipping sauce. This homemade sauce is versatile for chicken, ribs, burgers, and even roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.